but I know that I've got time on my side. Where you going? Why you leaving so soon? Is there somewhere else that's better for you? What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love if it just ups and leaves? I told myself I wouldn't cry when you're gone, but I know it's easier said than done. Look at me, choked up now. Been trying to tell you, but it won't come out. What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love if it just ups and leaves? What is love if you're not here no more? What is love? What is love? I can't live without you, and I can't live with you. What goes around will come right back around. You won't know till it hits you. We were supposed to be an empire. What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love if it just ups and leaves?
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
Wow. That was very interesting. It wasn't the best performance. It's probably actually the worst for the night so far. But I know that you've tried. I know that you want to sing. It just didn't come across well at all. Really.
Alaine.
So, Ray, you're a beautiful young lady. You look like a flower standing on that stage. And I wanted to hear you win, right? And the things that I think that can make you win is that you have to interpret the songs that you're singing. So make us feel how much you want to know what love is because of the pain that love has brought you, because that's what the song is about, right? So when you delve into it, it's going to mean more and it's going to connect more to the people listening. So yeah.
Anthony, your thoughts?
A general comment about the song picks. They're predictable. We've heard all of these songs before. Nobody is coming with songs that actually suit them. And that performance fell completely flat. I'm expecting people are going to seize the moment and just get off to a galloping start. That sounded like somebody was riding an old nag. It was just really horrible.
Thanks, judges. Show Ray nothing but love by texting the word VOTE to 444-5505 or call 444-5505. Thanks, Ray. Thank you, love.